To install a processor, apply the thermal grease on the top of the processor with a syringe by forming 4 uniformly spaced dots, while each dot consists of about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. Hold the processor by both sides and align the small notches on the processor to the tabs on the socket and a small triangle of the processor to the beveled corner on the socket. Then, gently lower the processor evenly into the socket. Close the processor retainer and push the handle to the locked position. Install the heatsink and fan module. Install the server cover.